Welcome, in front of me is a Nothing Phone 2, and today I will show you how we can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna begin by holding power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring our boot options, and from here, select power off. Now when the device turns off, you wanna hold your power button and volume down at the same time. In a moment you will feel a vibration, at which point you can let go of the two keys, and this will take us to the fastboot / bootloader. In here, using volume buttons either up or down, you want to navigate through the menu and select recovery mode, so it's visible right here. Once it is, confirm it using power button. Next thing we will see is Android with no command. Once you do, hold your power button and press volume up once, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode. So that is how you boot into recovery mode. Now, just as before, you can navigate through the options here, visible here, using volume buttons, either up or down. And again, power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, quickly going into the options that we have access to. We have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. And we have Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us to the first menu that we have seen after turning off the device. We also have Fast Boot Mode. This one will not take us to the fast boot mode that we see after turning off the device. This one will take us to a dedicated fast boot mode that is very similar to the recovery mode. Now moving down, we have also apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off device. So with that being said, I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it with the power button, and like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android. And here we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.